Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is couscous with vegetables. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the couscous versus the liquid. I'm gonna use 500 grams of couscous in there, so we need 450 milliliters of water and 50 milliliters of olive oil. That's to come 500 milliliters of liquid. We're gonna put the liquid into this pot. We're gonna add one vegetable cubes and we're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna bring it to the boil. We cover it up and bring it to the boil. While the liquid is getting to the boil, we're gonna peel and finely chop one red onion. So the importance of when you are cooking couscous is the equal amounts of couscous versus the liquid. For example, if you are using 500 1 liter of couscous, 1 kilo of couscous, sorry, we need 1 liter of liquid. So that is 900 milliliters of water. Top it up with 100 milliliters of olive oil. To come equal amounts, we're going to put the red onion into the container. That's the trick of cooking the couscous. Equal amounts of couscous to the liquid. That's the red onion. Now, as you can see, the liquid is getting to the boil. We mix it up. And we wait until the liquid comes to the boil. Now, while we are waiting for the liquid, we're gonna peel and finally chop 2 cloves of garlic. What is good about couscous is that it can be eaten hot or cold. So when we are doing a couscous, if we do a little bit extra, it's okay because we can use it the next day. We can take it at work with us. eat it lunch, and we have a nice lunch. That's the garlic. We put it with the red onion. Now the liquid is boiling. As you can see, the liquid is boiling. We are going to switch it off. And put it with the couscous, into the couscous. Like that. Now, we need to make sure that we mix all the couscous into the liquid. All the sides. In there. Now, we're going to cover it with cling film. Going to cover the couscous with cling film. Like that. And we're going to leave it for 11 to 12 minutes. There. Okay? Now, I've got a frying pan. We're going to turn it on a medium to high heat. And we're going to add some oil. By the time we are waiting on the frying pan to heat up, we're gonna wash and dice the courgette. As per vegetables, you can use whatever you like. I took the 4 sides off, and we're gonna dice small. Yes, I was telling you, as vegetables, you can use what you like. For example, carrots or cauliflower. There is no certain standard what vegetables we can use. We're gonna add the courgette with the red onion and garlic. So while we finish our preparation, we can add everything into the frying pan. Not too big, not too small. If you are a beginner in the kitchen, you can turn the frying pan on a very low heat. So by the time you are cutting the vegetables, the frying pan is heating gently. Now, I've got 1 red pepper. We're gonna wash it under cold running water, and we're gonna dice the red pepper. As you can see, timing in the kitchen is very important. As you can see, by the time we are chopping the vegetables, the frying pan is heating up. So by the time we finish the vegetables, we can just put them into the frying pan, which will be already hot. That's the vegetables. Now we can put everything into this frying pan. And we're gonna cook the vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes until soften. For ingredients, method and recipe with pictures, please do log on our website robnjays.com or like us on our Facebook page Rob and Jays. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, by the time we are waiting for the vegetables to soften, about a minute or so, we're gonna roughly chop some parsley. So by the time the vegetable is softened, we've got the parsley ready, and that's the couscous will be nearly ready. That's the parsley. Gonna mix. The vegetables should be ready by now. That's the couscous. We can check if it is ready. That's ready. Now we can switch off the frying pan and we're gonna mix everything into this dish. The couscous, the vegetables, and the chopped parsley. And we're gonna season with some salt and pepper, and we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it up nicely. Look at that. We check the seasoning. Beautiful. Couscous with vegetables. For videos, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.